What's up guys, welcome back to Level Up Classics. Today we're going to be removing our Porsche 964 door seal rubber strip pads. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button to support my channel. To start off, we're going to grab some tools. You can get some interior tools, some plastic ones, or even a flathead. So what we're going to want to do here is pry up this door seal strip gently without bending it or breaking it. These are old and brittle and sometimes the corners might chip off, so the trickiest part here is to get this seal pried up just a little bit. So here you can see I'm trying to get my finger underneath it and I'm prying it up just a little bit with the plastic trim tool. Once you're able to get your fingers in there, it's easier to get a hold of, and then it just pulls right up. This 30-year-old double-sided Porsche tape is amazing, and it is extremely hard to get off. Once you figure out how to do this, it probably takes about a minute or two. Removing the double-sided tape, that's another thing, and that takes hours. So here you can see me prying it up and I can almost get my hand underneath it. And once you're able to get both hands, you just yank on it really hard without bending and making creases in it, and it pulls right up. So looking online to find techniques on how to remove double-sided tape, I've seen people try WD-40 and Goo Gone, and so that's what I tried to do for my test. I used WD-40 on one car and Goo Gone on another car. I let these sit for about 20 minutes to see if anything pried off, and coming back to this 20 minutes later, it did absolutely nothing. Has barely removed any of the adhesive or double-sided tape, and both these techniques did not work at all. In the end, after a lot of frustration, I just got a 3M rubber wheel and I rubber wheeled off the double-sided tape. It took a couple hours and a lot of frustration, but it all eventually comes off, and then you can put on some new door seals. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button to support my channel. I have links below if you want to pick up any of these items to restore your own car.